Yo, what's up everybody? Chad Bennett here at Nonstop Money TV. Welcome back to another online money making video. And in today's video, my friends, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can start making money online simply just uploading photos. So if you have one of these in your pocket with a camera, you can start taking photos today, start making money online simply with just your photos. You guys, the more high quality photos, the better, the more you're going to get paid. However, if you do not have a lot of pictures or any pictures at all, I'm going to share with you today exactly where you can go to get free images, high quality images that you can repurpose, reuse, 100% free, 100% legit, and start making money today. Free PayPal money, more specifically. So we're gonna go through this step by step. Make sure that you stick with me through this entire video. You do not want to miss any of this. I'm also going to pack right here in this video exactly what I'm doing to make a significant amount of money online. And when I say significant, I'm talking about thousands of dollars a week. Some folks are making even $1 million a year, and I know that sounds crazy, but yes, that is possible for you. You guys work when you want, anywhere in the world, laptop lifestyle, get time back on your side. I'm going to be sharing that in this video as well, so please, there's going to be a lot of great stuff in here. Stick with me through this entire video. Let's get started. All right, you guys, who's ready to start earning free PayPal cash literally for just taking and sharing photos with this one simple website? If you're excited about that, make sure that you drop me a comment, even if you just type free PayPal cash. By the way, if you like learning about how to make money online, this channel right here is for you. As you can tell, I've named it nonstopmoneytv.com. That's because we're talking about money on this TV all the time, you guys. That's what this channel was created for. I want to help as many people as I possibly can find financial freedom so that they never have to work for an employer and get that paycheck ever again, you guys. Start your own online business. Also, check out all these videos I have already created for you right here. Tons of great stuff, tons of great content. All of these will help you start to generate your first dollars online. And I know there's a lot of people in the world right now that could use that. Tons of horrible things going on right now. So check out these videos. Don't forget to make sure that you crush that thumbs up if you find any valuable content in this video at any time. Make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, that you hit that bell notification, that you share this video with your friends, your family, post it on social media so we can help as many people as possible start making money online too, you guys. That's what I created this channel for. That's what it's all about. So as promised, let's get into this video and start making some money online. Free PayPal cash literally for just uploading other people's photos, you guys. You're going to love it. All right, you guys, now for the fun part. Let's start earning some free PayPal cash simply for uploading other people's photos or yours if you choose to do so. So this website right here, again, is my #1 favorite way and the best, highest paying method to start earning money uploading other people's photos. So check this out. We're at clickasnap.com, CLICKASNAP, just like you see right up here. Clickasnap.com is going to bring you directly to this website. Now make sure you don't leave this video because there's a lot of great stuff I want to explain to you, and I'm also going to show you step by step exactly how to use other people's photos that are 100% legit and free to use to repurpose that you can upload to this website right here that we're on. And you don't have to use your own photos, right? So as you can see, you're gonna make money when your photos are viewed. Every single time your photos are viewed, you're gonna earn 15 cents, okay? 15 cents every single time they're viewed. And as you can see, there's already millions of views every single month right here on this website. You don't have to do any marketing. You don't have to do anything special to get your pictures out in front of people. They're gonna promote them for you and show them to people, and you're gonna earn 15 cents every time someone views it. Now, there's a minimum $15 payout, so every time you get $15 accumulated in your account on this website, you can request a payout, and that happens every 24 hours, and they pay out in PayPal cash, you guys, PayPal. So make sure that you have a PayPal account established. That way, when you hit that $15 mark, you can request your payout and start making money. Now, real quickly here, I just wanted to show you this because I think this is really, really important. There's other websites that are big, that are well known, that you might know of, that are doing similar things, but they're not doing what Clickasnap is doing. For example, Viewbug 500 and Flickr are not paying people when people view your photos or other photos that are on those platforms, right? Clickasnap is. Get paid when your photos are viewed. They don't have to download them. They don't have to buy them. All they have to do is view them. You're gonna get 15 cents every single time one of those photos is viewed. And Clickasnap has unlimited storage, you guys. This is for free accounts. You can upload 7 photos every single day. So one little tip here that I'd recommend is you come here every day, upload 7 photos, because the more photos that you have on Clickasnap right here, the more chances are your photos are going to get viewed, the more 15 cents you're going to earn over and over again, and you're going to start to accumulate money faster right here on this platform. Viewbug 500 and Flickr do not have the unlimited storage feature, so that is why this is so significant. I want to show you one other thing down here. If we come down the page here, you can see why you should choose Click-a-Snap. There's already trusted by thousands of loyal people that are already using this platform right here. You get paid quickly, right? As soon as you hit that $15 mark, you're going to get paid out within 24 hours in PayPal cash. It's 100% free to use, you guys. Again, 7 photos every single day, high payouts. 15 cents just for someone to look at your photo is a decent amount of cash, honestly. All right, I already know what you're thinking, right? You're probably thinking right now, that's great, Chad. This is a great way to make some extra money, but I don't take pictures every single day. I don't have high quality images that I could be uploading to Click-a-Snap. Don't worry, that's why I told you in the beginning of this video, I was gonna show you exactly where to go to get 100% free, high quality images, other people's photos that are free to use, that you're not gonna get in trouble for using, as long as you stick with me and watch how I do this step by step. It's very, very simple, very easy to do, okay? So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go over to Google Images. Now I want you to think of images that people are searching for all the time. People are normally searching for wallpaper type images, right? For their phones, for their backgrounds on their PCs. So what are people normally putting? They're normally putting like pictures of cars, pictures of sunsets, pictures of dogs, pictures of cats, you know, stuff like that. Think of what people are using for their wallpapers, maybe things that you like, right? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna search for those images. For this example, what I'm going to use is just dog pictures, right? So I'm just gonna search dogs. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna type that in, we're gonna press enter, we're gonna run a Google search, you guys. Now, once it runs the search, what you wanna do is you wanna click on images right here. And then what it's gonna do is it's gonna show us all the images of dog pictures, right? Now this is a significant amount of pictures. There's thousands and thousands of pictures of dogs, but we can't just use them all. Some of them are actually copyright, and we can't just pick those and reuse them because we could get in trouble for using those, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually sort those. We're gonna click right here where it says tools, and then we're gonna click right here where it says usage rights. This is where the money comes in right here, you guys, right? It's gonna do it all for you. It's gonna sort it for you. It's gonna give you all the free images that you can reuse and upload to Click-a-Snap and start earning money. So what we're gonna do is click on Creative Commons licenses. Now, if you're not familiar with what a Creative Commons license is, I'm gonna show you here in just a moment. But all these nice little cute cuddly dog pictures that you're seeing right now, you can reuse and repurpose these and upload it to Click-a-Snap. They can be yours, and you can start making money from other people's images, right? So what is a Creative Commons license, right? A Creative Commons license is one of several public copyright licenses that enable the free distribution of the otherwise copyrighted work. A CC license is used when an author wants to give other people the rights to share, use, and build upon work the author, have created. So basically, any image with a Creative Commons license, we can reuse, repurpose, and use it and build upon it as our own. So if we go back over to Google here and look at all these dog pictures, we can use every single one of these right here and start uploading it to Click-a-Snap. Now I want to show you one other search source as well that you can use free stock photos, right? And that is Pixels. Pixels.com right here. Type that into your web browser. It's spelled PEXELS.com. Now when you arrive here, what you notice is that they have free stock photos and videos. So if you're searching for videos for whatever reason, that's not for this purpose, but you could also find free videos right here on this website, and it's very high quality content that you can reuse and repurpose. And we can do the same thing. I'm just gonna type in dogs right here. We'll hit search. And then you can see they have tons of great dog photos on here. And same if you're gonna use cat photos, wallpapers, car pictures, whatever, right? You can do the same exact thing. So this is one great method right here that you can use. Literally, if you start this from start to finish, upload 7 pictures every single day, which I highly recommend, and you can start making money online, free PayPal cash, you guys, literally for just using somebody else's pictures. It does not get any simpler than this. All right, you guys, now if you're still with me on this video, this is the best part of this video, and the reason why is because this channel right here, NonstopMoneyTV.com, is all about setting you financially free so that you never have to hit a time clock ever again, so that you never have to work for somebody else. Now, I want you to understand that everything that I've shared thus far is legit, it works, it's a great side hustle, right? It's gonna earn some extra money, some extra spending money, and put some clothes on your back, some food on the table, buy some gifts, but it's not going to replace your income, right? It's not going to set you financially free so that you can do the things that are most important to you in life, you guys. You need to get passive income, you need to get time freedom, you guys. Live the laptop lifestyle. I want you to understand one thing here real quickly. I've been at this for 15 years trying all kinds of different crazy business, chasing around my friends, my family, getting doors shut in my face, people avoiding me, only to fail and waste time again and again. Now, about a year ago, I got serious and I saw people just like you because I was typing in make money online. What's the best way to make money online? And, I came across some folks that were telling the truth. And one of them, honestly, his name was Mr. Nathan Lucas. He has a channel on here. You can check him out. And one of the things that I like to do is I like to go back to the very beginning of folks' videos, and I like to see the growth. I like to see what happened, right? Because it's easy to look at somebody that already has success and that is already making, $1 million a year. But I like to see what it looked like in the beginning when they were nothing, when they didn't have anything, when they were just like you and I, when we were just, aspiring to be like them, right? And I wanted to see how long it took. And, I saw that there was people such as Mr. Nathan Lucas himself that was willing to share that. And when you realize that as long as you stay consistent, work hard, and follow a proven path, a blueprint to success, then you can do it as well. Anybody can do this. You just have to get out of your own way. You have to find the blueprint, which I've left in the top of the description. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online. Within 15 days, you guys, you can have your very own affiliate marketing business up and running and start making money online and building the business of your dreams that will pay you for life, passive income. That's what it's all about, time freedom, so you can do what's important to you. Whatever that is, you guys, whether it's fishing, boating, surfing, hanging out with your friends, your family, enjoying life. That's what it's all about. It's not about going and clocking into some time clock and working for somebody else every day, building somebody else's dreams. Don't do that. Check out the link in the top of the description, my #1 recommendation. Get started today. This is your time. I believe in you. 2020, I know it's a crappy year, but maybe it could be the best year, right? Maybe you could turn this all around, use all the pain that's happening to you right now to propel you to make your business, a success faster, you guys. Use your pain. And, that's all I have for you today. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, please make sure that you crush that thumbs up until it turns blue. Make sure that you dropped me a comment, say hello, say free PayPal cash, whatever, you guys. I don't care. But just, drop me a comment. I really appreciate that. And, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, that you hit the bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content. Because, again, you guys, I'm coming out with videos every single week teaching you the best money-making strategies on the internet. And make sure that you share this video with your friends, your family, so that we can help other folks make money too. One of the things that I like most about what I'm doing is I get to help people and I get to make a lot of money for doing that. There's nothing more rewarding to me than knowing that I'm helping folks and that they're making money online. That just it's really touches me, touches my heart. So I really enjoy this, and I hope all of you are well. I'm gonna stop rambling. I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.